We usually give out of our surplus. We usually give out of our excess or out of abundance, which is logical, which is practical. Kaya ka naman nagbibigay kasi meron ka. Kasi meron tayo. Ba't ka naman magbibigay kung wala ka na? That's reasonable. That's logical. But my dear friends, what Jesus is asking in the gospel today is different. Pointing out what the widow did by giving her last 2 coins. She was not giving out of surplus. She was not giving out of abundance. It was not an excess for her. It was her livelihood, we are told in the gospel today. But she still gives. Not out of surplus, but out of poverty. So what does it mean to give out of poverty? Wala na, nagbigay pa. If you have 3 cups of rice and you give 1 cup, that's giving out of surplus. But if you have 1 cup of rice and you still give 1 cup, that's diet, no? That's giving in poverty. And it seems this is the kind of giving that Jesus is talking about in the gospel today. It's not reasonable. It's not logical. It's not practical. Ala na nga ako, magbibigay pa. Kulang na nga, magbibigay pa. Ano ba yan? But still, why is giving in poverty important? Because it is only in giving in poverty that we give, that we are forced to trust in a God who provides. Kapag wala ka na at nagbibigay ka pa, kapag kulang na nga at nagbibigay ka pa rin, tumutulong ka pa rin, napipilitan tayong magtiwala ng lubos sa Diyos. Bahala na, Lord, kayo na po ang bahala. Because giving in poverty forces us to trust in the Lord, to believe that God will provide. When we talk about trust, when we talk about belief in God who provides, we have a very important example in the Blessed Virgin Mary. And the opening prayer today tells us why her heart is immaculate. Because it is totally open to the Spirit of the Lord. It is Mary's heart that trusted totally, that surrendered totally to God. Lord, bahala ka na. We all know the story of the Annunciation. Mary, not fully understanding what the angel is talking about. How can this be? How can be mother? How can I be mother? I do not know man. But she fully trusted, even without understanding fully. Let it be done to me according to your word. Her heart was truly immaculate for her total surrender and trust to God. Hindi ko alam kung paano, pero bahala na po kayo. This is why giving out of poverty is important, however unreasonable this is, however illogical this is, however impractical this is. But giving out of poverty, wala na, pero nagbibigay pa, forces us to surrender to a God who provides. Palagay ko naman, hindi naman kailangan nating gawin palagi. No? Baka naman maging miserable tayo. But I believe once in a while, we need to give out of poverty. Yung nagbibigay kahit masakit na. Yung nagbibigay kahit wala na. Yung nagbibigay kahit kulang na. Hindi naman palagi. But we need to give in poverty. Reminding us that giving, helping, is more important than having. Mary leads us in giving in poverty. And that is what we heard, no, in the gospel today. 2 coins, the last coins, still surrendering to the Lord. Like Mary, total trust, total surrender to the Lord. Immaculate heart, open to the Spirit, full of grace because of total trust in the Lord. Giving in poverty, trusting in a God who will provide. Amen.